I've got my quarterly stitch fix, so if you want to see what's inside and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, they're in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Stitch Fix box. I do get it quarterly now. I need some spring clothes, I'll need some summer clothes, so I figure quarterly should be good. And you can select to have up to 8 items in your box, and they will send you a preview with a variety of items. They sent me a preview. There were some things that I was like, other things that I was like, I really like that, but do I really need another pair of, let's say, pink sneakers? No, I don't. So I did pick, I think, 3 out of that. And so everything else in here is going to be a mystery. There is a postage paid bag to send everything back through the United States postal system. It looks like there's a piece of jewelry in there from Kivia. And these look to be necklaces. I really like that. So that right there already, keeper. We have everyday girls' night. So everyday girls' night, date night. This one is mix and layers, and this one is weekend. I like that. We do have a little note from the Stylist and prices. I have Katie again. The total cost of this box, everything in it, is $473.97. If I buy 5 or more, the discount is 25%, so that would bring it down to $355.48. I don't have a styling fee. I do have a styling pass, and that's it. All right, so I have 2 bundles here. This was one of my choice. So I think these 2 were my choices, and I did ask for like layering pieces. So let's take a look at what I got. So this, I wasn't sure if it would be too warm, but I think this spring has been a little chilly right now, although it is supposed to get warm next week, so I'm not sure, but I thought this was cute. So there was a trench coat that I really wanted, but they put this in there instead, so I'm guessing it wasn't available in my size. And it is by Coffee Shop. Next, by 9 Britain, is a camisole. It does have like a crossback, which is nice, so it won't fall off. Some pretty lace. You can't really see because it's black on black, but there is some pretty lace there. Oh, I chose this piece. All right, so that's 2 pieces. So maybe I chose 4 because I think I chose 2 pairs of pants. This is by Bobo, and it's just a sleeveless sweater. You would need to wear something under it, obviously. By Market and Spruce, we have the simple black tee. By Vera Moon, we have this hooded, very, very soft green cardigan. By Days, we have these kind of peach colored pants with some interesting front pockets. And then also by Days, we have these yellow jeans that I thought were just so pretty. This is a mid-rise flare, and it is a petite. This one is the Sunday crop high-rise straight crop. So not a huge fan of high-rise, but we'll see. It's a petite, so it shouldn't be as bad. If you recall from my last wannable, I had these linen pants I loved, but they came up to like here. Now my bra line is here, so that gave me about an inch or so in between, and then that meant the pockets were up here, which it was not a petite. So if it were, it probably would have fit right, but it just didn't, so I had to send it back. Okay, so I'm going to get to trying these things on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back with that first top, and I'm not sure if I like it or not. I think the color that I put underneath of it, it's a bigger camisole, so I think I would need a more close knit camisole. From what I'm seeing, it does look kind of big here, but yeah, I'm not sure. The pants are a great length. I like them. They fit nice. They're comfortable. While it's a high rise, it is maybe this high from my belly button, so that's not a bad rise. You know, I don't like anything up here. That to me is too much. But when it's in a petite, the rise is usually just right. And then this sweater kind of goes with it because it's got the greens. Now let's go over some pricing. So this is the Vera Moda Doffy, Doffy, open hood cardigan in green, size medium, 55. This is the Bobo Carmel sleeveless crochet sweater in Carmel, and that is in medium, 58. And these are the Days Denim Sunday Utility Mid-Rise Flare in Coral 10 Petite. These are 98. This is the pants are both expensive, but they are petites, which is nice. I like the rise, so I am kind of prone to them. All right, let's try something else. I am back with that tank top and the yellow pants, and love, love, love the color, the fit, the feel. And I figured, well, I don't know that black, yellow, and purple go together, but it's what I have, so I'm going to try this on with the jacket. Okay, here is that coat. I like the color. I'm not 100% sure about the fit, though. I don't know. Help me out, guys. What do you guys think? I like the color. And I don't know, maybe untied. So this is the Coffee Shop Juliet tie waist coat in light purple. It is $46.97. So it's a great price, and it's a great length for this time, great heaviness for this time of year, as we have like 40-degree weather one day, 50, 60, back to 30. You don't know what you're going to get. The 9 Britain Bahari lace detail cami knit in black, 39. All the top sizes are medium, and all of the bottoms are 10 petite. And the Days Denim, the Flirt mid-rise flare pant in pale yellow, 98. I gotta tell you, I love these pants. I love the other pants, the pants I gotta keep. I really like this. Like when I first saw it out of the box, I'm like, am I gonna like that? But it's not like tight fitted. It's kind of got like this looseness, so I like that. Do I think this kind of is an outfit I would go to? No, I would probably want a different color camisole underneath or top, probably more of a t-shirt, maybe a white, I'm not sure, but it's what I got, so it's what we're gonna see. All right, I have one more t-shirt to try on, and we'll go over preferences. And here is that black t-shirt. It has like a nice kind of drapey feel, so it's not like 100% cotton. It's got some polyester blend, which gives it a little bit of softness and gives it a little bit of flexibility in movement. And yeah, I could definitely see this being an outfit staple. And this is the Mark & Spruce Aran overlap V-neck knit, I guess tee, in black 435. And that would look great with any of these necklaces. And then we'll try this back on with this. I kind of don't feel like it did justice to the tank sweater thingy, but with this, yeah, I do like it. So here is a one necklace with it. And these necklaces have quite a length of extension, so you could definitely shorten some so that you can layer. And probably with this, I would want to bring these both up just a smidge. So it would look like that. Or I could make that one shorter.
Okay. Coming through.
All right, and then there are three of the necklaces layered together. I really like that. And this is the Kivia Sage 5-piece necklace set, gold tone 44. I mean, 5 necklaces for 44. I think that's a pretty decent deal. And then 25% off of that. So I don't know. I'm feeling like this is an 8 for 8. I got 8 because I figured there might be, if you just get 5, sometimes you don't like that 5th item, but you keep it to get the discount. So I said, if I get 8, like I can, you know, have some wiggle room with what I get. But I don't know. I'm loving all the pieces. So let me know your thoughts. I think these or the peach ones are definitely like an Easter pant outfit. Should have this up before Easter. But let me know your thoughts down below. What would you keep? Again, the price for everything in here is $355.48. So that's 8 pieces for that. So that's in the $40 a piece price range. Not too bad. All right. Let me know your thoughts down below or just say hi. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already. And also down below, there is a discount code for $25 off of your first fix should you decide that it's something you want to try. All right, it gets me $25, but it's not an affiliate link. It's kind of like a reward thing. So feel free to use it if you've never had Stitch Fix before and want to refresh your outfits. It is, I think, a little better priced than the other boxes out there, like Wantable. Now, I love my Wantable and I love the stuff they send me, but this does have a little bit more in the $30, $40 range, even sometimes $25 range. versus wantable being up there with the 50 and above range. So like that coat for $46.94, heck of a deal. Actually, let's try it on with this t-shirt, see how it looks. So I don't know, I'm kind of torn about the coat. Everything else though I really like. I like the coat. I like the color. I don't know. Tell me your thoughts. Do I keep the coat or not? All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.